I'm Santa Roy and you are watching Newsmic. We bring you the latest and most important stories from India and around the world. Let's begin with today's topmost headline. Our first story comes from international front. Japan's leading energy company Inpex has signed a 15-year liquefied natural gas supply agreement with Abu Dhabi National Oil Company or ADNOC. Under the agreement, ADNOC will supply 1 million tons of LNG every year, strengthening Japan's long-term energy security and boosting economic cooperation between two nations. That's all from international front. Now let's move to India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has begun his three-nation diplomatic tour with Indonesia, being his first destination. During his visit to Jakarta, Prime Minister Narendra Modi talked with Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto to strengthening cooperation in defense, trade, maritime security, digital technology, and investment. The visit is expected to deepen strategic ties between two companies and reinforcement India's role in Indo-Pacific region. Now here's another important national update. A major landslide triggered by heavy rainfall has struck a tunnel construction site in Kerala's Wayanad district. Rescue team including the NDRF and fire services are continuing search operation after several workers were trapped under the debris. The incident has once again highlighted the risk of infrastructure projects in landslide region district during the monsoon season. That's all for me. Over to Ria for the remaining updates.
Heavy monsoon rains continue to affect several parts of India. States including Kerala, Maharashtra, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir are witnessing heavy rainfall, leading to waterlogging, landslides and traffic disruptions. The India Meteorological Department has advised people living in vulnerable areas to stay alert and avoid unnecessary travel during period of intense rainfall. Now let's move to the world of entertainment. Bollywood actor and singer Diljit Dosanjh's film Satluj is once again in the spotlight. The central government has decided to refer the film to an interdepartmental committee (IDC) under the Information Technology Rules 2021 for a detailed review. The move comes just 2 days after streaming platform ZEE5 was directed to remove the film over reported security concerns. Originally titled Punjab 95, the film is based on the life of human rights activist Jaswant Singh Kalra and portrays events from Punjab during the 1990s. After remaining with the censor authorities for more than 3 years, the film was released on ZEE5 on July 3 under the new title Satluj, but was taken down on July 5. The committee will now examine the matter and recommend the next course of action. And finally, here's your sports update. In football, Spain delivered a strong performance to defeat Portugal in a thrilling international clash. The victory strengthens Spain's campaign, while Portugal title hopes come to an end after a closely contested match. Football fans across the world are praising Spain's disciplined performance and teamwork. And that's all for today's bulletin.
Thanks for watching Newsmic. We shall bring you the latest update. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy.